Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the control statement that is called as if-else statement in your Java language. My name is Devashish Pari. Welcome to my class. So we have already discussed or know the if-else statement present in your C programming language or C++ programming language. Same concept is in Java. So what happens in if-else statement? In if-else statement, two block is there. First one is if block and second one is else block. If the condition is true, if block is executed, otherwise else block is executed. That means if the condition is true, if block is executed, if the condition is false, else block is executed. Okay. So let us start how if-else statement will work in Java programming language. The Java if statement is used to test the condition. Okay. So if statement is generally used to test the condition. So to test the condition, we must take the relational operators like greater than equal to, less than equal to, like that. Okay. So always remember, if is always associated with the condition, and in else part no condition is there. Okay. Always condition part is associated with if statement. Else statement does not contain any condition. Second thing is, if without else is possible. Again I am telling, if without else is possible, but else without if is not possible. Okay. If statement is there, else statement may be present, may not be present. But if else statement is there, compulsory corresponding if statement must be there. Okay. So what if statement do? It checks Boolean condition whether it is true or false. Okay. If the condition is true, if block is executed. If the condition is false, else block is executed. There are various types of if statement in Java. They are if statement, if else statement, if else if ladder, and nested if else statement. Okay. So in today's class, we will discuss if statement and if else statement. And in the next class, we will discuss the other types of if statement. So first, what is generally if statement in Java? Okay. So what is if statement? The Java if statement generally used to test the condition. It executes the if block if the condition is true. That means here some lines are present. This is known as block, curly braces start and curly braces end. This consists of one block and the name of the block is if block. With the if block, one condition must be there. If the condition is true, whatever code you are written in this block, that code must be executed. If the condition is false, the code is never executed. Okay. So this is the flow diagram of your if else statement. One condition is there. If the condition is true, the if code is executed. If the condition is false, after if whatever you will be written, that lines are executed. That means if the condition is true, the block is executed. The if block is executed. If the condition is false, after if whatever you are written, that things are executed. Okay, no else block is there. Here, no else block is there. That is possible. If statement without else block is possible. So this is a simple example of if statement. I am writing a class if example. This is the name of the class. You know that name of the class must start with capital letter. So I must be capital. If the class name contains multiple words, then every inner word must be capital. Here multiple word is there. If is one word, example is another word. So E must be capital. Okay. Then this is the main method. String is the class name, so S must be capital. I am declaring one integer variable age. Int age is equal to 20. Okay. And checks the age. If age greater than 80. What is the value of age? Value of age is 20. So 20 greater than 80. Condition is true. The condition is true means whatever line you have written, that is executed. That means the output is age is greater than 80. Okay. Then the if else statement. What is if else statement? Now in the if else statement, if the condition is true, if this condition is true, this block is executed. And if the condition is false, else block is executed. Always remember, in case of if else statement, if the condition is true, if block is executed. If the condition is false, else block is executed. So this is the flow diagram of your if else statement. If given a condition, if it is true, if code will be executed. If it is false, else code will be executed. Okay. After if statement or after else statement, whatever lines are there, that are executed in usual manner. Okay. So this is one small example for checking the divisibility by 2, even or odd example. So I am writing the class name as if else example. E is capital, this is I is capital, E is capital and A is capital. Why? Now because if a name of the class contains multiple words, every inner word must be capital. So E must be capital, E must be capital. Then this is the main method. I am declaring one integer variable number. The value is 13. Okay. Then how to check it is divisible by 2 or not? Modulus 2. If number modulus 2, the variable name is number, so number modulus 2 equal to 0, double equal to, okay, equal to 0. Then even number, else odd number. So 13 modulus 2 is not equal to 0. That means condition is false. If condition is false, else block is executed. That means that is odd. It is odd. Okay. Then leap year example. So what is leap year? We know that if a year is divisible by 4 and 400 but not divisible by 100, then that is a leap year. Okay. What is a leap year? Every leap year comes after 4 years. Okay. So what is a leap year? Now if that year is divisible by 4 and also 400, but it is not divisible by 100, then that is a leap year. Okay. So this is the name of the class, leap year example, main method. I am declaring one integer variable as year. Now what is the year? 2020. So if year modulus 4 equal to 0 and year modulus 100 not equal to 0, or year modulus 400 equal to 0, that means 2040, this is divisible by 4, but this is not divisible by 100. Okay. is not divisible by 100. Okay, so true and false. That means condition is false. Or here modulo 400 equal to 0 if this is divisible by 400 or not. Is it divisible by 400 or not? Okay, so since this is divisible by 400, condition is true, it is leap year. Okay. Then how to check the divisibility by 2 using ternary operator? Okay, how to divisible by 2 using ternary operator? You can also use ternary operator. Ternary operator symbol is question mark and colon to perform the task of if-else statement. If-else statement can be changed to ternary operator. It is a shorthand way to check the condition. If the condition is true, the result of question mark is returned. But if the condition is false, the result of colon is returned. Okay, that means if the condition is true, this is executed. If the condition is false, this is executed. Okay, so this is the name of the class. This is the main method. I am declaring one integer variable number and the value is 30. And string output equal to number modulus 2 equal to 0, question mark, even number, colon, odd number. System.out.println output. Either 13 is divisible by 2, the modulus is 0, no. Okay, modulus is 1. So the condition is false. Condition is false means which block is executed? After colon whatever you have written. After colon you have written odd number. And this value is assigned to output. So system.println output means odd number. Okay, so these are nothing new things. All the things you have already studied in your C and C++ programming. Okay, this is all about your if-else statement. Thank you.